Still breaking boys out from the north to the south.
It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another sponsor review. Today we're going to review Kava, which is a DeFi platform. You know, this is the hot new thing in the crypto scene. You can really earn a lot of money leveraging your money in these DeFi platforms. This one is not a fly-by-night one though, guys. Actually is the first DeFi coin coming out of the Binance IEO program. So they're vetted, they're solid, and they're legit. So we're going to take a look at Kava today. I'm going to show you guys how you can earn up to 118.5% on your money if you stake your BNB tokens using the USDX minter. We'll get to the details on that at the end of this video, but I definitely want to give you guys a heads up on this because this is an opportunity you can take advantage of very soon. The platform actually is launching. Their mainnet is launching in 2 days at the time of recording. Make sure you jump over there to at least look into the USDX registration, which we will go over. But again, DeFi for crypto, that's what Kava is all about. They're leveraging their asset using a cross-chain CDP platform, and I'm going to explain what all that means here in a second. But essentially, out the gate, because they're just starting, they're going to have BNB as the sole coin that you can stake, okay? Eventually, they will be rolling out Bitcoin, Atom, and XRP as additional coins for staking. But again, it's collateralized. You know, you're able to collateralize your favorite assets for free using Kava's multi-collateral CDP system. Leverage, another aspect of this platform. You can really increase your long-term exposure using their decentralized CDP. And stability, that's of course something we all are looking for in this very volatile crypto markets. Move out of a position into stable coins backed by the best crypto asset in the world. Another plus to this Kava platform is that it's built on Cosmos. I know that I have a lot of Cosmos fans out there, so you'll be really excited to hear that this decentralized platform is built off of that. So it's going to be reliable. It's using the Tendermint consensus algorithm, which is based on proven bonded proof of stake. It's interoperable. So that means that Kava is built from the ground up, and it will let you leverage the asset that you want eventually. And they have special incentives for you to participate in the launch of this. I'm going to get into the details. You're going to go crazy over the incentives if you participate in the mainnet launch here in a second. But it's also fast. We know that Cosmos is a very fast blockchain. So those three things, along with all the partners that they have, Binance being the number one, but look at all of these other partners they've teamed up with. I mean, this is great stuff here. These guys know what they're doing. A friend of mine actually recommended I take a look at Kava as a sponsored video, and so I looked at it and I said, yeah, this is an excellent platform for DeFi. I know I have a lot of subscribers that are into the DeFi movement, so you want to at least take a look at Kava.io. You may be wondering, what is a CDP and how is that different from other DeFi lending platforms? The Kava CDP platform is a DeFi lending platform similar to MakerDao, except, this is the exception, you can accept crypto assets built upon multiple blockchains, and it is not limited to just Ethereum. So that's something that really differentiates, you know, maybe Kava from, if you want to compare it to another DeFi lending platform like MakerDao. Initially out the gate, you're going to only be able to stake BNB. They're doing that for promotional purposes, but eventually you'll be able to stake Bitcoin, XRP, and Atom. The platform is backed by its own native token, which is currently over 75% staked, and in 2019 became the first DeFi asset to be traded on Binance. And you may be asking, what is USDX? Well, it's Kava's stablecoin. So I want to go over what exactly minting the USDX coins or tokens means. So the Kava community voted for BNB to be the first asset supported on the Kava roadmap. Along with the support for BNB, the Kava community allocated a total of 3,848,000 Kava tokens to be distributed over the course of 52 weeks. They're calling this the crypto payday, and we're going to get into the details, and this is how you achieve this 118.5% APY. I'm going to get to the details on that here shortly. But USDX minting rewards will deliver some of the highest yields for BNB. So the rewards are based on the total amount of USDX you mint. The more BNB you use, the more USDX you mint. And again, that mint, that USDX is dollar for dollar. So that represents $1. The more BNB you can use, the more USDX you can mint. Here's a list of annualized BNB yields here. based on the total amount of BNB tokens staked and USDX minted, assuming that all BNB stakers mint the same ratio of USDX. So here's the table for that. Those are huge gains. I'm going to zoom in for you. Look at those yields on BNB tokens. So I want to explain to you how you redeem your rewards. This is the big part here, guys. So you essentially, with this crypto payday, every Wednesday, they are giving away 74,000 Kava tokens that will be distributed among its users within the Kava rewards pool. So that means if there are only 2 people in that pool, you guys will split 75,000 Kava tokens. So, get in that pool because you're going to get a percentage of those Kava tokens. It just depends on how many people are actually participating. So you want to make sure you do sign up. So in order to get into the Kava rewards pool, a user must successfully use the Kava's DeFi Lending platform to mint USDX tokens. All mentors will go into that week's Kava rewards pool. So the whole point of this, so that you understand, maybe if you're not familiar with the DeFi platforms, so users will deposit your BNB tokens as collateral and in return be given a loan paid out in Kava stable tokens. That stable token is a USDX. Okay, that's 1 for 1, dollar for dollar, just like any other stable coin. Okay, when someone uses BNB to take out a loan, it mints the USDX. So this will add the user to the Kava rewards pool and qualify them for that week's crypto payday. So go to Kava.io and you want to click the USDX registration button in the top right hand corner, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address and start the process for registration. So as of June 1st, 74,000 Kava tokens are worth approximately 67,000 USD dollars. So this entire amount will be distributed across Kava rewards pool. The amount that each person receives will depend upon the following things: the amount of mentors in that week's pool, the amount of BNB that person had collateralized in order to mint the USDX, and lastly, the amount of users' collateralization rate in comparison to the other mentors in that pool. So basically, the more USDX you mint, the more Kava tokens you will receive. So this will happen every single week starting with June 24th, and this will initiate the second crypto payday on July 1st. Okay, again, every single week, every Wednesday, you will be entered into that pool and divvied up that 74,000 Kava tokens. And the final crypto payday will commence on June 23rd, 2021. So get over to Kava.io, click that button in the top right corner and get started. And before we leave, just want to let you know, if you're familiar with that USDX token, if that rings a bell, well, there were some bad actors that actually stole that USDX ticker symbol or token symbol from Kava. I'll leave a link so you can check out what happened and what went on with DForce. That was a company that essentially just copy and pasted the code that Kava Labs created and trying to use that, but they ended up going bust, and now Kava has taken back over the USDX ticker symbol on Binance. So Kava is the original creator of the USDX token, so rest assured there. And again, this is the first IEO that was launched from a DeFi standpoint on the Binance platform. So get over there, check it out. If you're interested, register and start minting those USDX tokens and earning crazy amounts of interest. Get it while you can and get it while it lasts. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll make sure to respond. And that pretty much wraps up this review of Kava, the new DeFi platform that's launching very soon here. Make sure you guys take advantage of the promos they have going on, the crypto payday every week starting June 24th. It's your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out of here. Holla!